Hey guys, Ron here with golfcourselawn.com, and this short video is in response to a question I got from a viewer in response to the video that I did on how to use one of these guys, which is an ACCU-GAGE. It's designed for setting the height of cut on a greens mower. The question he had was around how the dial indicator works, and something I didn't actually mention in the video, so I figured I'd make a really short one here to explain that. So the way this tool works is you have a straight bar that goes between the front roller and the rear drum, and this attaches this to the bed knife, and this dial indicator is used to set the height of cut. So on here there are two gauges. There are two indicators rather. The one on the left, that indicates tenths of an inch, and then the large ring is hundredths. So if I press this, I press it on the indicator here on the tool, you'll see that both the small and large gauges rotate. So the question he had was around, say I want to set a height of cut of 5/8 of an inch, right? So to determine that, we need to convert 5/8, which is a fraction, to decimals. So if you divide 5 by 8, you get 0.625. So 5/8 of an inch height of cut is the equivalent of 0.625. So after setting this tool up on the mower, which, I mean, if you want to know how to do that, check out the video. I'll have it linked at the end of this video explaining how to exactly use this guy. But the way you would set a height of cut of 0.625 is you'd attach it, and then you'd simply adjust the mower until you got a setting on this tool that looked like, let's see here if I can do this, if I can hold it properly, around like that. Okay, so you'll notice on the left, it's between 6 and 7. And then over here on the large dial, it's between 20 and 30. Right there, that's 0.625 right there. Again, this is a really precise tool, so any little slight movement is going to be reflected. But that's pretty much how the tool works in a nutshell. Tenths, hundredths. If you are talking about a height of cut and you're thinking of it in fractions, convert that to decimals. So again, 5/8 would be 0.625, like a ½ inch height of cut, which is where my mower is currently set up, would be 0.50. So I would go around until the small dial says 5, and that says 0, and that is the equivalent of ½ an inch height of cut. So I hope you guys found this useful. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see how to use one of these guys on a mower, there will be a video at the end of this one that will tell you how to do that. Have a great day.